Hello? Hey, Charles. Oh, yeah. No, I'm fixing to head over there right now, actually. Don't worry about it. I can work from there. I know what it's like having a new puppy. It's worse than having a new baby. Okay, so Thursday, right? 5 o'clock? Yeah, no problem. Okay, I'll keep an eye on her until then. Have fun at the conference. Be safe. Yeah, bye.
So cute. She's right. You do have the face of an angel. Yes. Oh. Well, hi there. Oh, you want to play, huh? You want to play? Zoe? Yeah. Alright, okay. What a cutie. Well, you already know to bring it back. Now, I don't have time to play tug, but I'll throw it one more time. One more time. I said no more right now. Come on, don't give me those eyes. Alright, one more time, but I'm going to take a break to go make a sandwich. But afterwards you need to let me work. Hi there. No. This is not for doggies. This is for people. You can't have this. No. You can't have this. No! Give me the dog! Bad dog! Give me back the pickles! Go! Bad dog! You know what? Stay in there. What are you doing over there? Do not make a mess of anything.
Rachel, there's my little angel. Were you good for the babysitter? Were you good for the babysitter? What you got over here? What you got over here?
What the?
Pickles, what have you done? Pickles, no! Bad dog! Bad dog! Pickles? Pickles? No. Pickles, no! No!